Ah. Oh no. Oh. Oh. She just wanted to play. Mm. It's okay, Mama. He's just being an asshole. He wants you to play. Go on, Tzar. Get your duck. Oh, poor Mama. Poor Mama. I know. Where you going? Don't be sad. Don't be mean. No? No? Don't play with that. Hey, nah. Whoa. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Aww. Give me that. Come on. Oh my goodness. 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 Oh no.
Thermacare wants to know, where does it hurt? Tiny. Try get the pain with Thermacare heat wraps. Thermacare delivers real heat that penetrates deep to relax tight muscles all day. Nice. Try Thermacare heat wraps and wear it where it hurts.
My name is Chef Michael, and my dog Bailey and me love to hang out in the kitchen so she can watch me cook. You just love being around with the beef.